Hello everyone, I'm Vedant. In this video we'll see how to open a particular URL or a particular web page with the help of Tricentis Tosca. So let's jump into the demo. We are here in Tosca Commander. To open a particular URL or web page, we have a standard module available out of the box. The name of this module is OpenUrl. You can find this module in module section, standard modules, TBox XEngines, HTML, OpenUrl. Let's drag this module into the task section and create a new task case. We already have a folder created with the name OpenURL demo. Let's drag this module and drop it onto the folder. This will create a new test case with a test type OpenURL. Let's rename this test case as we wanted to open a google.com or web page of Google. We'll name it as opengoogle.com, or else you can also name it as open base page or open web page. We have a test step with the name OpenURL. We'll rename it as Open Google. We'll provide the value for the URL attribute as www.google.com. Action mode will be input. We'll set a configuration parameter at we wanted to open this in a particular browser, so we'll name it as browser, and the value will be Internet Explorer. And we'll run this test case. As you can see, our test case got successfully passed and Google web page get opened in the browser Internet Explorer. We'll save the progress, and that's it. So in this video we learned how to use or how to open a URL or a particular web page with the help of TBox OpenURL module. Thanks for watching this video.